And I love my tamale to be wet. Hey everyone, we've been doing, what, Christmas Day? Hi everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. I was eating seaweed, so I'm having my teeth. My battery's dying. Why don't you change these batteries? Ugh. Anyways, we got a new battery and we have not been vlogging today because we were planning on vlogging when we left to go see the Christmas lights, and then it started storming like crazy, so obviously we couldn't go. So then we're like, okay, well, we haven't vlogged anything for today. So I guess we'll take you guys with us. Jose's gonna buy Joseph like a little racing car, so we'll take you guys with us there, and then I'm gonna show you guys my tamales because we did make a big old pot of tamales. My mom's on her way to pick some up, and when we get back we're all gonna eat some tamales. So I told you guys my mom was on her way. She thinks we're leaving, so she blocked the driveway so we won't give her tamales.
I'm watching.
What is she telling?
Oh, wait, let me go forward.
No, I think she's saying Ale or something, like my dad's waiting for my mom. Guys, what's the name of that place again?
Texas Chainsaw?
No, Texas Roadhouse? Is that what it's called? Texas
Chainsaw.
Yeah, Texas Roadhouse is finally open. And there's so many cars. Like, how do they fit so many people in there? The cars are like, at the parking lot is almost like as big as Target parking lot. How cute.
Little race car for Joseph.
He got a little race car. Anyways, guys, I 99.9% of the time I drive, and I want to blame it on that. But I get really nauseous when I'm being on the passenger side, and I'm in the passenger side right now, and I don't know if it's because I ate like some old seaweed that Joseph had like on the TV thing, and I passed by and I'm like, seaweed, and then I ate it, and I don't know if that made my stomach turn or if it's because I'm on the passenger side. Jose's turnings are just like not it, but I feel like I'm gonna throw up everywhere, and Jose's gonna have to pick it up. Do I know something? The first time me and Jose, not the first time, I don't know if it was the first time that we kind of like got together, like we were like partying it. Yeah, it was around like one of the first times that we were dating and we were hanging out, because when I met Jose, I met him in the month of December. It was literally like the end of December when I met him, and then it was my sister's birthday. My sister's birthday is the first week of February, so we were at her house and we were I was drinking. I think I just like overdrank, and I think I was gonna stay the night at Jose's. Well, I think I had to because I was super drunk and I threw up. I was snagging on corn nuts and I threw up everywhere, and I can clearly remember like Jose trying to take care of me. He was like, because Jose doesn't really drink, and he would be like, here, throw up in the bag, and I'll be like, bleh, on the other side. And then the next day he had to pick it up by himself, remember?
Not the next day, I was picking it up that same day. As you were throwing up, like, fuck.
Oh my god, but I was like, did I throw up everywhere? He's like, yes. But then I went and I got him Chinese food and coffee. Wow. You don't like it? Take it back, papi. He don't like it. So we made it. I didn't throw up. I still don't feel good though. But maybe if I warm up some tamales, we're gonna feel a little better. I also made, it doesn't look as appetizing right now because we already like put hands in it, but I made like a Christmas fruit salad with like all of our favorite fruits, and then we just like top it off with like pecans, coconut and all kinds of stuff. Well, I'll show you guys right now like what it looks like prepared, so you guys can see. My dad's music is way too loud. I don't know what happened. I think it's because I've been in the house all day, and I've been in the house all day, so I was fine. And the moment I stepped outside, I don't know what it was. It even got me tired and sleepy. I'm gonna warm up some green ones because those are my favorite. Pa, voy a calentar tamales, ¿quieres? Okay, then the red ones are for Jose. Warm them up. I'll be back. Aww, thumbnail. Puta madre. And then I'm gonna do like just like a little sample size of the fruit salad, just so you guys can see. Like that. Cute. And then I threw the pecans in here. Some pecans. Let's go get some pomegranates. So I was gonna add coconut shreds because I love coconut, but it looks like somebody left the coconut shreds open. I don't know who it was, and then they dried up. Pomegranate seeds. Here, let me tell you guys something. I love everything about this. My favorite. One problem though is I have like a huge phobia, or like this gross smell. Like if you want to gross me out, any type of seeds, not any type of seeds, any type of citrus seeds. Like if you're eating limon, like sopita, you put limon and then the seed falls in there and you eat it, and then I have the seed inside my mouth or I chew it. Oh my gosh, I feel like that is the worst thing ever. Or if I'm eating an orange, you know, like in peace, and then there's it's a seedless orange, so I'm eating it in peace, and then randomly there's like a seed inside the orange and I chew on it, I want to barf. I don't know what it is, I just cannot stand seeds, citrus seeds. So this fruit salad has oranges, but it also has pomegranate seeds. So when I chew both of them together, I try to convince my brain really hard, like, hey, you're chewing a pomegranate seed with an orange, because it's telling me you're chewing orange seeds, and it makes me like not want it, but it's like, no, it's good, eat it. Hi baby. Oh, thanks my baby. You want some orange? Anyways, the tamales are ready. I'm gonna go get them out instead of like turning off the thing. But that's what it looks like. Let me go get the tamales. Scratch that, tamales are not ready, so I'll be back. Okay, I am back. This is gonna be for Jose. We got one tamale. We got two tamales. I'm gonna give him a green one too. So this is for Jose. I still don't feel good. I don't think I should be eating these. These ones are gonna be for me. I'm only gonna get one red one, and the rest are gonna be green because those are my favorite. And I love my tamale to be wet.
Oh.
So we're gonna add chile. I love a wet tamale. Oh no. Like this. I'm also gonna add the chili oil to my tamale just to make it nice and spicy. Yummy. My husband likes his stuff plain. He's no fun. He's no fun. Mine and Tapia's. Show you guys again. Mine, nice and saucy. Jose's. Good thing is that my tamales are not dry tamales. They're pretty soft and fluffy, so we don't choke. Papi, I don't think that kid needs any more toys.
As crops around the world would be affected, likely endangering the lives of...
Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's vlog. I know we didn't do much, I didn't show you guys much, but I just wanted to post something today for you guys that we can not lose the momentum. What else? I still don't feel good. I don't know what happened. I don't know if it was because I've been locked inside the house all day, and then the moment I got like fresh oxygen outside, my body was like, excuse me ma'am, no, we're not doing that. And then I just didn't feel good. So I don't know if that's what that was, or maybe I just been eating way too many tamales. I don't know. Tomorrow's gonna be a very exciting day. Is gonna be, actually I'm gonna save it for the vlog so you guys can actually see what tomorrow is going to happen. But that's gonna be it, and don't forget to follow, like, share, subscribe, follow me on everything, hit the notification bell, and that's it guys. Bye.